And his first live appearance, ladies and gentlemen. We got Jiminy right here. I started looking around and he just came out of over here and just said, hey, what the hell are you trying to do? And I'm like, chill, bro. Whoa. Chill, man. I'm just here to look around. The headlights don't work. Do you know why? Oh, chill, bro. Come on. I'll step back. I can see I see Feifel's been here. Do you know where he is? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2008 Toyota Prius with a headlight issue. Customer states they just replaced the headlight bulb and it still doesn't work. Please check and advise. And while you're there, before multi-point inspection, say no more. We got you. We got you with this repair. We already did the multi-point inspection, so we're going to get right into this repair. So pretty much we're going to wire in a brand new connector here. And there's a reason why we are. There's actually two reasons. One, we have damage to the harness on the white with black tracer wire and the purple wire as well. That's one of the issues. The second issue, well, it failed the pin drag test. Here we have a pin, no good pin. Here's our connector. Our connector pins are all loosey-goosey. Giggity. Right, so it's failing the pin drag test. It failed the harness test. Now here's the new one. The new one, watch this. See that? It's not loose at all. You could feel the drag on the pin that's actually making a good connection. So that's what we had fail here, guys. We have a Prius with almost 500,000 miles on it, and God knows how many light bulbs it's gone through. And then we got some Feifel activity, and as you saw earlier, we got some Jiminy Cricket activity. But yeah, this connector here is definitely has seen its final days. So we're going to cut it out, we're going to splice in a new one, and retest the system. Very good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're all crimped and heat shrunk down to proper size. We're going to wrap this harness with some electrical tape and install the bulb and continue. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. We're all repaired, and not for nothing, my harness looks factory. Very good. So now we're going to install the bulb, test the system, and yeah, we're going to check everything out. Well, very good, ladies and gentlemen. This side works, and now this side works, but my freaking luck, the side I repaired is a little brighter than the driver's side, just by a little bit. Whatever, man, it works. If I fixed it, if you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. Oh yeah.